Good day, AP Biology students. Today is May 13th, 2020. I just want to remind you your exam, for those of you taking the AP Biology exam, that is on Monday, May 18th. Now, this is not my final exam, but this is the actual exam you signed up for through College Board. Now, what I would suggest that you do, starting today, if you haven't already done so, is I would make sure you go to College Board's website, log in. They actually have a section on there under the students section. If you look under there, if you look under the students section, that says this as follows. You would be able to click on it. It says, be prepared for exam day, and then there's a little hyperlink below that says get ready. You can click on. If you go there, it's going to give you some steps and some things that you can do in preparation and how can you get ready before the day of it. Well, things you can do now is, one, you can try the exam demo that they provide. Two, you can look through their exam day checklist and work through those things and make sure you have all those things covered. And you can also confirm your email address. All right. Now, 2 days before the exam, make sure you locate your e-ticket. That should be sent to the email address that you have provided for College Board. So just make sure you know which email address that is, and then you just make sure you locate this 2 days before. So my suggestion is you could check, say, the Friday, Thursday, or Friday before the exam. So that would be May 14th and May 15th. You can check for that. And then make sure the day of the exam that you check in 30 minutes early. These are 5 steps to making sure you're getting ready. Now, I will try to post a link from where this is at on College Board, so you can check this out and review this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments below. I hope this video has been helpful, and I wish you well. Take care. Have a nice day. Goodbye.